Here's the bottom line. Cold weather, very likely regardless of snowfall amounts, with significant, maybe even historical winter precipitation. If you are in downtown Lake Charles or anywhere close to it, don't wait for that storm track. Jacob will have that. Get to that safe place. Yeah, Morgan, so today it's actually not Wednesday. You know what it is?
It's Wednesday. I'll let you take it.
It's Wednesday because we have a lot of wind across southwest Louisiana. Greens are moving to the south, reds to the north. They're a little bit closer together, so that tells me the storm may be trying to organize. Continue to stay in that safe place for another couple minutes or so, but I do think this is primarily an issue for downtown Lake Charles.
Man, I didn't want to send you to break there. I'm glad we got you back on. That was
Okay, see, they're not getting rid of me quite yet, but
no, we don't
want
to. No.
We won't fire you.
Just like we see in our setups with rain, any localized heavier areas of snow, I think could easily lead to totals higher than that 6 inches, maybe even in excess of 8 inches. Ritter, technically you're outside the warning. Sugartown, you're outside the warning. This storm is still going to be headed in your direction. A track farther to the south means the entire air column above our head would likely stay colder and support more in the way of snow. 50 miles per hour tomorrow along the Cameron coastline. So considering the southerly direction of that, we're expecting some water to pile up along the coast. The latest advisory has 70-mile-an-hour winds, pressure a little lower at 986 millibars. I do want to show what I added to my collection.
Nice.
Over the past half hour. What do you think of that?
I think that's pretty good.
Just warm and humid weather for the game of the week. Temperatures will stay into the 70s all throughout the game tonight. And everywhere else, that's a whole lot of wind. So we see a big dip in the jet stream coming down off the east coast.
Lagano.
And a very good Sunday, late afternoon, early evening, and yeah, not only is it a cold day so far, we had rain earlier today, which is good. We certainly could use the rain. We also have more rain chances to talk about. The first round of rain, that's tomorrow, and we're talking about a widespread coverage of rain. But we're not done there. In fact, by later on this week, rain chances continue to increase a little more because models continue to indicate a better chance for a few more rounds of showers and storms. We'll have details on all that in just a moment here. But for today, it is a chilly one. Thanks to all the cloud cover we have in place, a lot of mid to upper level clouds coming in from the southwest, riding along the jet stream, and that's going to set the stage for the next disturbance to arrive tomorrow. But the rain we had this morning, that is out of the picture. So the clouds have kept things cold. Usually when I show this graphic here, we're talking about temperatures that took place in the early morning hours. That is not the case today. A look at the current temperatures, they're the exact same numbers into the low to mid 40s, including 43 in DeRidder, 46 over in Oakdale, 46 in Jennings as well. That northeasterly breeze making it feel like 41 in Jennings. So yeah, it is chilly out there. Definitely a taste of winter we have going on right now. But again, the rain for now is out of the picture. So if you have to be outdoors at any point this evening, I don't think we'll have to worry about rain. Now we head into tomorrow morning, still a lot of cloud cover. Temperatures cool into the low to mid 40s, probably feeling even colder than that. Here comes the next chance of rain. We may see some showers try to develop even during the morning hours. Then as we head into the afternoon, I think we're back to seeing a widespread coverage of showers and maybe some locally heavier pockets of rain as well. That should continue even as we head into the evening. And much like this afternoon, look at these temperatures. They're only going to top out into the upper 40s to the low to mid 50s for highs tomorrow. So a cold one, you'll need the rain gear and you'll need to dress them warmly if you are going to be outdoors. Again, the benefit to all of this is at least we get rain. Remember, we definitely need it with the drought situation. I think we're on track to see another ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain across the area with maybe some locally higher totals than that. This model did pretty well with rainfall totals with this morning's rain. I think it's on the right track for tomorrow. The reason is that we had a low pressure system and a cold front. Another one moves through tomorrow, but by Tuesday that gets out of the picture, so we see the sun again even if it's going to be a cooler day. That being said, rain is not far away. By late Wednesday into Thursday, a couple more disturbances begin to approach. Models still indicate a good coverage of rain may take place. So between now and the next 7 days, I think 2 to 4 inches of rain area-wide is a good bet. And we certainly can see some localized totals even higher than that. So the bottom line here is a cold, rainy day is ahead tomorrow. We start drying out Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday morning down to the 30s for lows. Then rain returns after that. Don't go anywhere. We'll have sports after this.